Hey YouTubers, I'm Jacob. This is a how-to video
for removing the battery and tray
for my 2015 F150. And I've included the links to these products and tools I'm using today in the description below, so make sure to click on those and check them out. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, smash on that subscribe button for more videos. All right, let's get into it. I'm going to pull the battery and pull this tray out. It looks like it's only a few bolts. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the battery, and then I'll take the tray out. Ugh. And this one's a 12 millimeter. There's one right here. It's a 13 millimeter as well. So here's the two clips. If you need to remove the whole battery tray, here and here. They have to be undone. I probably need to clean it. Might just vacuum it. I had another battery in here that was not an AGM, and a rock got in here off-roading, and it punctured one cell and just decimated my tray basically, and that's why my bolts are rusted so bad. So ideally I should probably replace those. Definitely want to clean your trays out every once in a while, especially if you do some off-roading or even driving on gravel roads. You never know, something can get in here and damage a cell. I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum this out, get it bolted back up, and then get the battery back in before I do the isolator, just because I want to make sure I have enough clearance.
Dad, can you tell Dad we're gonna go eat? Show Dad we're gonna go eat? Tell him we're gonna go eat.
Good job. Perfect timing.